Welcome back to another episode of Craft by Tim. Today we're not actually making anything. I just wanted to tell you about something funny that happened to me this morning. Right before my dad left for work, he said, "Hey Tim, there's a bunch of bird poo inside the shed that wasn't last night. There very well may be actually a bird stuck inside the shed overnight. I don't know." I was like, okay, cool. Came down, had a look around, couldn't find a bird. So I was like, oh, okay, well, I guess there is no bird. It's just no bird. So I got up on the step ladder, had a look at those boards that run across the roof, and I couldn't find said bird. So I just assumed that bird was not here. It just left. Okay, cool. No worries. Now I just have to clean up the bird poop. A little bit later on, I came back down to continue working on a project. My mum put one of these knives through the dishwasher. The handle broke, so I'm currently working on a new handle for that. I actually really like the way that this is turning out, by the way. I've been working on this little exercise in handling. I was standing over here next to the window and I hear this growling. Like, I don't know how else to describe it. It just sounded like growling, and I looked up and there was a pigeon sitting right there on that beam. So I think the really weird thing about this is the fact that the pigeon was sitting like there, and I was using a stepladder here to look at the beams that way. And so I was basically sitting right next to this pigeon, and it just didn't say or do anything. It just sort of sat there and watched me. A creepy pigeon. The thing is that it's not just a pigeon. It's actually a racing pigeon. Hey, buddy.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Yeah, he's happy. Anyway, so that's kind of how I started my day. It can't fly properly, which is kind of a bad thing for a racing pigeon. Why are you looking at me like that? She got a phone number on its ankle, and I called the phone number. It was an automated service, and I was like, "Hi, thank you for reporting a lost racing pigeon." I knew it was a domesticated pigeon because it's like super docile. You okay? This is my life now. I have a pigeon. I don't know whether or not I'm ever gonna have a guy come around and hopefully collect this said pigeon. To be honest, I don't want to own this pigeon, but I have a pigeon. I hope you guys enjoyed this random midweek upload about my life with a pigeon, and I guess I'll catch you all in the next episode. Stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, please report lost pigeons. Lost racing pigeons. Don't just report like random pigeons.